everyone, how are you? I'm Sally, welcome to Fondant Diary. This time I will share a tutorial on how to make a cup of coffee cake with a little anti-gravity effect. Before I start the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can get other interesting fondant tutorials. And also support me with like and comment to this video so this video can reach more people. Okay then, let's get started. First, prepare round cakes with this ring. Arrange the cakes. I spread the cake with buttercream. Shape the cake into a cup shape. Make a crumb coat. Keep the cake in the fridge until the crumb coat set. Next, I make a spoon and a plate. I trim the edges. Put fondant on the spoon. Press a little and dry the fondant spoon. And this is for the fondant plate. Shape it. And cut the excess. Let fondant stay on the plate and dry the fondant plate. Take the cake from the fridge and spread the second layer of buttercream. Roll out white fondant and cover the cake. Cut fondant with an additional width of 1 cm. Turn the cake over and place it on the cake board. Straighten the fondant up. Trim the edges. Remove buttercream on the cake. Now I make the cup handle. This I make cup handle. Prepare 2 toothpicks and insert it. And dry the cup handle. And this for the coffee topping. I mix orange and brown food color. Cut with the same ring to cut the cake at the beginning. And this to cover the edges. this. Brush with water. Press a little to soften the surface. Now I make fondant coffee beans. And this is for making a sticky note. Happy Father's Day. Now I make a mark to stick the handle. With scissors, I push the toothpicks. The fondant plate and fondant spoon have hardened. Now I arrange the cake. These are the coffee beans. Brush water to stick the note. Here it is, a cup of coffee cake. Now I make the anti-gravity effect. Put in a skewer. Give a straw. Get one empty milk box. I clean the milk box with water. Open the milk box wider and fill with tissue. The box is filled with tissue so it won't move easily when you put it later. Now close the milk box. Make a mark to measure the height of fondant. Now cover the straw with white fondant until the limit of the mark before. Thin the fondant. Put the tip of the fondant into the mouth of the box. Here it is, the anti-gravity effect that is easily to make. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye!